Hello, my love bugs. Welcome to my channel. This is my first unboxing. This is from a company called Sterling Ink. I already took off my information, so it's not aesthetically pleasing on the box, but it serves its purpose. So, originally, I've been using the Hobonichi Mega for 3 years in a row. I got kind of bored with it, and I decided that I need more space to write down, my daily habits, my daily planning, write down my trackers and things of that nature. So I decided to go with this Sterling Ink. So I wanted to unbox it with you. This is my first purchase. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm pretty excited as you can tell. So I already sliced it open a little bit so I can easily pry it open. Okay, nice thick bubble wrap. Okay, more bubble wrap. I like that. That is like very secured. Appreciate that. So I purchased a clear cover for the planner. This is really nice. Let's see if I can unwrap this. I like it. Okay, I have like two little slip pockets I can slip the front and the back into. Just fold it over like that. And this is really nice. Sterling Ink has a card in here. Ways to use your planner. Okay, 30-day planning challenge, monthly journal prompts, vision board guide, how to plan guide. Okay, this is very cute. Okay, has another little gift here. Okay, this says Sterling Ink, and this is looks like a sticker. I think it's a sticker. It's cute. This is cute as well. The website sterlingink.com. This is really cute. I'm loving it already. Okay. This is the N1 Horizontal Compact Full Year 2026. This is the pencil board. This is cute. I would use this as a pencil board, but it's not a pencil board. It's just a calendar for 2026. It's kind of like flimsy, but I would use it as a pencil board. Definitely gonna put that in here. Okay. Da, da, da. 2026 Common Planner. So I got the gray one with the gold trim. This is really nice. I love that. This paper looks like it's yellow instead of white. I like it. Kind of thick too. Okay. Yearly. What is this? Blank page. This is your goals breakdown. Yearly tracker. All right, I love it. Priorities. January, February, March, April, May. No. January, February, March. And this goes quarter one. Oh, okay, quarter two, quarter three. Quarter four here. Yep, quarter four. Your monthly calendar. I like the square boxes. They're pretty big. I write big, so I like the size of these boxes. And I like that it doesn't have like the little calendars on the side because I utilize all this space. And where's the weekly? Okay, here's the weeklies. Look at all this space. I can love this. Okay. And it has blank pages in the back. This is more than the pages that I need. So I can journal back here. I can do my habit trackers and what have you. How many pages does it have? Hey, 118, 118? No, 119 pages. 119 pages. I love this. And this is like kind of like a pebbled texture. It's not like a smooth texture. It's like, it feels like, you know, plastic pebble. I love this. I love the size, the width. I love everything. I cannot wait to get into this for 2026. I have a lot of plans, a lot of decrees and declares. Yes. I really like this planner. Okay, I'm gonna purchase some more things from Sterling Ink. I already like this product, so I'm pretty sure she has more things on her website for 2026. Oh, let's see how this, I can put this on here. Oh, a little snug. That is a little snug. Hmm. I don't even know if I'm in the frame. Get in there, please. I know it's probably a better way to put this on, but it's gonna work for now. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Why is it? Oh, is this the correct cover? Oh yeah, I just have to. Oh, it fits. I was worried for a second. It fits. This will probably like. Okay. You think? I love it. I love it. So there you have it.